Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate a new action, extract data from table, introduced in Power Automate Desktop version 2.49. In this example, I will show how we can easily extract data from Datagrid of a legacy window application and save the data in CSV format. Let me show you the legacy invoicing window application. You can see a data grid or table on the top right corner. We will extract this data and save it as a CSV file. Let's design a desktop flow. Firstly, add run application action to the designer. Configure this flow by specifying full file path of invoicing application, window styling, and after application launch setting. Specify 10 in the timeout parameter. Next, add extract data from table action. This take UI element in table parameter. Click add UI element button. Carefully select the data grid and press Ctrl key and left mouse click button to capture the data grid UI element. This action gives two options to extract data to. Here we are using a variable option. After that, add write to CSV file action to create a CSV file. Pass the data table variable produced by previous action. Specify the output file path along with the file name and its extension, that is .csv. The last action is to close the invoice app. We will terminate the process by its ID, which is produced by the run application action, the topmost action. Now the desktop flow is ready. Save the flow and press run to test it. The flow ran successfully without any errors. Let's open the data table variable. See, it has all the extracted data from Datagrid legacy application. Finally, verify the output CSV file generated by the flow. We can see a CSV file in the output folder, and it has all the extracted data in the CSV format. So that's it. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.